Ho, 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 ho. Happy holidays, everybody. This is Wheelcollectors holiday giveaway. We're going to do a real quick summary of what we're going to give away. We want to thank you guys for following us and supporting us and buying from our store. We love you guys, and hopefully this helps some of your holidays. I hope you guys win. Real quick, here's a summary. Beatles, the remainder of the case goes to a sub. The remainder of the Star Wars case is going to go to a subscriber. One whole set's going to go to a subscriber of Star Wars. Another Star Wars set's going to go to a commenter. Again, for the Beatles, one sub is going to get a set. One commenter is going to win a set. The smoking hot Led Zeppelin set, there's going to be 3 winners. Subscriber's going to win this set, the commenter's going to win this one, and a sub's going to win the 2 extras in the pop culture case. A subscriber's also going to win an ID car. And then we have 2 Cruise Boulevard sets to give out, one to a subscriber and one to a commenter. And then the huge bonus that we're doing is 50 subscriber winners are going to win $50 to our eBay store. So here we go.
It's all you.
Ho, ho, ho! Here's the holiday giveaway. Subs are going to win a lot of stuff today, and 50 of you are going to be able to pick out exactly what you want. The very first winner of today is going to win the ID car, which is smoking hot. Let's see who that is. Maki, M-A-K-I, wins the ID car. Congratulations, Maki. The next person is going to win $50 to our store. Let's see who that is. Susie Wolf, you're going to win $50 to our store. And we're going to pull out, you know what, let's do 10 of those in a row. We're going to do 10 $50 winners in a row, guys. $500 in a minute. Adimulio Nugaroho. Guess what? You won $50 to our store, buddy. Get a hold of us. The next winner for another $50 is Debajan Yankee. Debajan, you're going to pick $50 from our store, buddy.
What if he's a Yankee fan?
Well, he's still going to get his prize. Colby TV, you have also won $50 to our
Get out of here.
store. Here we go. Another $50 winner. Garrett J. Are you guys having fun yet? Garrett J, you win $50. The whole entire reason we're doing this, guys, is we're having fun with you. The comments have been awesome. Your support's been awesome. And hopefully, some of you guys win some good stuff. Vladimir Almazar, you have won a $50 gift certificate to our store. Are you getting some from all the different layers in there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Just making sure. Nafi's Alam, you have won $50 to our store. Nafi's, get a hold of us. Real quick, let me see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 3 more on this run. Jason Blount, guess what? You won $50 to our store, buddy. Thanks for subscribing to us and following us. Let's see here. Who's this? Okay, well, I don't know how to say this, so you're just going to have to get a hold of us.
You're a winner.
You're a winner. Is this the last one?
Yep.
Here we go. One in Focus Z. You have won $50. Okay? The next subscriber that's going to win, you're going to win the remainder of the Zeppelin case. Okay, so we're going to recap the first 10 people that win $50 to our store. 50 simoleons.
Oh.
Here we go. We realized that our first camera shot might not have been able to see the names as clearly. Vladimir Almazar, you have won. One in Focus, you have won. Nafi's Alam, you have won. Colby TV, you have won. Jason Blount, you have won. I'm not sure how to say your name, but you're going to have to get a hold of us. You have won. Adimulio Nugaroho, you have also won. Garrett J, you have won. and then Susie Wolf, and Debejan Yankee. That rounds out the first 10 people, guys. Here we go. We're going to start drawing for the Led Zeppelin. The remainder of the Led Zeppelin set is going to go to a sub. And that is Tord from Ed's World. You have run the remainder of the Led Zeppelin. Congratulations, Tord. The next person is going to run the remainder of the Beatles sets. And that is going to be Tolga Iski. Tolga, get a hold of us for your Beatles cards, buddy. One of those is the Volkswagen T1 panel. The next person is going to win the last two remainder from the Star Wars case. Who is this? Horatio Bon Giovanni Diecast. Congratulations, Horatio. You have won Star Wars. Okay, we're gonna do 10 more subscriber winners for 50 bucks. Here we go, here's the first one. S Dollar, you have won 50 bucks to our store,
won
buddy.
$50.
Here we go. The worst YouTube channel ever has just gotten a huge boost today by winning $50 to our store. The next one is Pan Am Fan 747. You have won $50 to our store. Federico Volmer, you have won 50 bucks, buddy. Congratulations, happy holidays. The next winner is going to be Joe Cool 1968. Joe, you have won $50 to our store, my man. The next person is Jareth Bryan. You have won 50 bucks to our store. Congratulations. The next winner of the $50 to our store is Wolfgang Bergstrom. Congratulations, Wolfgang. I think we have one more in this tin. Then the next person is Mr. Randomness. There you go, buddy. You got a Volkswagen Beetle on your car. Okay, we're going to go back to the sets. The full set of Star Wars is going to go to, let's see who this is. Right Time. Right Time, you have won a full Star Wars set. Congratulations. Okay. The next winner gets a full set of Beatles. The Beatles set is awesome, guys, and it's got the T1 panel in it. Let's see who's going to win the Beatles set. Yannick, you have won the Beatles. Get a hold of us, Yannick. We'll mail it to you. The next 10 people are going to win 50 bucks to our store. How many have we done? 20? Okay, here we go. Fabio Steves 100. Congratulations, happy holidays. Vlad 1959. You have won 50 bucks to our store. Let's see here. Tight. You have won 50 bucks to our store. Let's see here. Sir Gamer Got. You have won 50 bucks to our store. Rob Russell, congratulations, buddy. Happy holidays. Charles Toth, you have won 50 bucks to our store. We got 4 more for this 10. Okay, sorry, I'm not going to sure how to say this one. Let's see if we get a clear shot. There we go. Get a hold of us. Pick out 50 bucks to our store. The next winner is Hot Wheels fan. You have won 50 bucks to our store. Next winner is Pyro Enterprise. Guess what, Pyro? We love fireworks too. It's what your little picture is. One more on this 10, guys. Crazy Toys 03 has won $50 to our store. Those 10 winners, very lucky, get a hold of us. The next winner is going to win the amazing Cruise Boulevard set. Here's the full set, guys. Who's that going to go to? Mike Jernak. Congratulations, Mike. You've got Cruise Boulevard set headed your way. Get a hold of us so we can mail it to you. And then real quick, we're going to do 10 more subscriber winners. And then we're going to raffle off the Led Zeppelin. Here we go. That diecast guy, Mike. Mike, happy holidays. You got $50 to our store. We're going to try to get deep in the box and get some names from the bottom. Exodus Design. You've won $50 to our store, man. The next winner is Fordsman 84. Congratulations, Fordsman. Thanks for following our channel. The next winner is, let's see here, Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii. Can we stop by the next time we buy a collection in Hawaii? We could stay with you. We'll bring our own sleeping bag. All right. The 5th winner in this 10 is Omar Rosales. Congratulations, Omar.
Oh, I got to the bottom of the box.
Nice. This one's straight from the bottom. Samuel Ace. Get a hold of us, Samuel. You have won $50 to our store.
Starting from the bottom.
Uh-oh. Going real deep.
You can only have one.
Oh, I got that one. Uh-oh. Racing Wolf BLCL, whatever that is. Do you know what that means? Racing Wolf, you've won.
Bacon lettuce.
3 more winners on this round. Let's see here. Itachi's in pay. 3 times 3. You have won. Like we said, we like to go old school. It's got that nice little feel to it instead of being told by a computer who's winning. Aang's Human Pal. You have won. We got one more for this 10, then we're going to give away the Zeppelin set. Eben Pogi 09. Guess what, Eben Pogi? You have won $50 to our store. All right, now we're going to give away the very, very popular Led Zeppelin set. There it is. Complete set of Zeppelin. Who's going to win that bad boy? Warble Fly 81. Congratulations, Warble Fly. You have won a Zeppelin set. Okay, now we're down to the last 10 winners. Get deep in that box. T-Style 76. You won $50 to our store, buddy. Jeff Giampalo. You have won $50. Congratulations, Jeff. Francisco Rivera. There you go, Francisco. Ted Hubanks. You have won. Happy holidays. Only 6 more people coming out of the sub box today. Cody Galloway. Congratulations, Cody. Get a hold of us. Joel Og 20 Studios. You have won. Okay, we've got 4 more people. 4 more people going to win $50 to our store. Carlos Mario Quinteo Salas. You have won. Congratulations. Happy holidays. Again, I'm not sure how to say that one, but get a hold of us. Thanks, buddy.
I love picking the hard names.
Yeah, I think you do that on purpose. Are you doing that on purpose? Eric Kuros. Eric, you have won $50 to our store. We got one more lucky person. Okay, shuffle it up. Here we go. Roberto Sanchez. Guess what, buddy? You are the final winner in the $50 giveaway to our store. Thanks very much for playing, guys. We got a few more comment winners, and then we'll do the summary video. Thank you. Here we go, everybody. Here's the comment pickers. We've got a randomized YouTube comment picker so that everybody only gets one shot at it. So real quick, we're going to do the Led Zeppelin set. We've got a full set of some, and it's going to be real lucky whoever gets that one. The Led Zeppelin set's gotten insanely hot for the holidays. Let's see who's going to win that one. And the winner is Wayne Boyal. Guess what, Wayne Boyal? You said got a whole lot of love for the Zepp set. Well, guess what? You're going to love it even more because we're going to send one to you. Get a hold of us, email us. The next video winner commenter is the Cruise Boulevard. You're going to get a complete set of Cruise. There's the complete set of Cruise. And you are going to win. Let's see who it is. Ghost Driver. Ghost Driver says, awesome set. I never win these, but it would be great to. Well, guess what? You never win, but you just won. Your luck's a-changing. The next comment winner is going to be winning a complete set of the Beatles. Here it is. Let's see who wins this bad boy. And the winner is of the Beatles, Dr. DuBois. Guess what? Yeehaw's right. Nice box of goodies. Guess what, Doctor? You have won yourself an awesome set of Beatles. Get a hold of us, email us. The last winner is going to win a complete set of the Star Wars. Luke.
Dun, 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 dun. No.
No, that was not the right song. Oh my gosh, who's going to win the Star Wars set? What song was that?
I don't know. I thought
That was Superman.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's a Superman. Oh. Holy crap, Rob and Nico, you've won before, but somehow you got lucky again on the comments. You must follow us pretty good.
You got a Star Wars set, not Superman.
There you go, Star Wars set. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. Happy holidays. Get a hold of us. We'll go through how to win. Thank you so much. Wheel Collectors is out. Holiday Giveaway 2019.